Hello everyone, myself Shivani Patil. I study in class 9th. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Aim. In our today's video, I am going to tell you information and fact about the state Tamil Nadu. The state of Tamil Nadu lies in the southernmost part of India. The word Tamil Nadu literally means the land of Tamils or the Tamil country. Existence of this place dates back to thousands of years back. It is one of the 29 states of India. Chennai, formerly known as the Madras, is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Also, Chennai is the largest city in the state. Tamil is the world's oldest language that is still in use. Tamil Nadu is the second largest contributor to India's GDP. Tamil Nadu is also home to a number of historic buildings and religious sites, including historic hill stations and Hindu temples of Tamil architecture. Temple inscriptions at Uttarameru describe existence of a self-governance system around 7th to 9th century CE. Ramanath Swami Temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlings and also one of the pilgrimage sites of Char Dham. Tamil Nadu is home to over 30,000 Hindu temples and many of them are centuries old. Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple is one of the most famous temples. Ramanath Swami Temple, standing 3,850 tall, the corridors of the Ramanath Swami Temple at Rameshwaram are said to be the longest in the world. Siruvani water from the waterfalls in Coimbatore is one of the tastiest drinking water in the world. Vivekananda Rock Memorial. It is the southernmost point of mainland India. It is believed that Swami Vivekananda got enlightenment here. Pongal, that is Tamil Nadu's harvest festival, literally means spilling over. It is a major celebration of abundance and bounty, and it happens every year in January. Marina Beach is a favorite tourist destination. It is located on the eastern side of Chennai and adjoins the Bay of Bengal. It's also one of the world's longest and largest urban beaches and the second largest beach in the world. On weekends and holidays, as many as 50,000 people per day visit the beach. Hill stations provide another option for taking a break from the summer sun. Popular hill stations include Ooty, Valparai, and many others. The Mudumalai National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is the place to visit. This thick forest reserve is home to Indian elephants, Bengal tigers, and Indian leopards. You can also see over 200 species of birds. Kurunji flowers bloom once after every 12 years. Siddha medicine, it is a traditional medicine system that originated in Tamil Nadu, started by Agastya Rishi. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Tamil Nadu. The state is the largest producer of banana, turmeric, tobacco and largest producer of mango, coconut and groundnut. With many factories and numerous ports, Tamil is also one of the most industrialized states in India. In fact, Tamil has 3 major ports, more than any other Indian state. Tamil Nadu has the largest bus terminal in Asia and the greatest number of international airports in India. Bharatnatyam is the traditional dance form of Tamil Nadu. If you are new on my channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you for watching the video.